Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing all. So in this video I am going to show you how can you fix the problem of Facebook ad friend button. You can see here in my profile, if I click on view as, then you will can see here here no ad friend button, only here have follow. So how can you enable this ad friend button? Sometime when your friend or who you know, he want to send you friend request, but this time he cannot send you friend request, so it's really problematic. So for this reason I am going to show you that how can you fix it. For this reason you have to go your Google Play Store. You can see here Play Store. From Play Store you have to make sure your Facebook app is updated, and your Facebook Lite also. You can see here Facebook Lite. You can see here it's you have to updated. Then you have to come back from here, and after updating you have to go your Facebook Lite app. So you can see here three line. You can see here upper corner here. You have to click here, and then you have to click here settings. You can see here settings. From settings you will can see here profile settings. So you have to click on profile settings. Then you will can see here option privacy control, who can friend connect and view your profile. You can see here. So from here to give all the thing public, like who can see your future post, you have to click it public. Then who can see the people page and list you follow, you can it's make publics or only me, it's not problem. Then you have to click here who can see your friend list. It's if you want you can take it only me. So here you will can see a option, do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile? So it's an important thing. So you have to click here, and you have to fill up the box, and you have to click here save, and then you will can see here who can send you friend request. You can see here option. So you have to click here, and you have to make sure every publics. So then you will come again your profile. You can see here I come my profile. From profile if I click in again view as, then you will can see here the add button option or add friend option is enabled. So this is the process of enable adding friend or fix adding friend of your Facebook profile. So if you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in the description. You can also connect me in Facebook and can ask me any kind of questions. So thank you.